Greetings, Johnny Linoleum here. Today we're going to take a look at the Warren & Brown half-inch drive deflecting beam torque wrench, model number 323500. This is a non-ratcheting torque wrench, non-ratcheting. Goes from 20 to 220 foot-pounds in 5-pound increments. It's rated at 2% over and under. The usual plastic case. A nice little note from J467. Calibration is available on request. And a little pamphlet with some information about Warren & Brown, yet nothing to do with the actual operation of the torque wrench. Alright, let's zoom in here. This is the pin. The pin has to be in every time you use it. This is the larger pin that strikes this block, which starts the deflection. When the torque is reached, you'll hear a click and the pin will pop out. You adjust it by loosening this and moving the slide up and down. It's fussy to use, and I'll get to that. I picked this up from Global Test Supply, the sole U.S. distributor for Australian-based Warren & Brown. It's normally $2.92. I picked it up on sale at $2.03. The sale is still ongoing as of today, as far as I know. Alright, let's try it out. Like I said, it's fussy to set up, but you get used to it because you have to slide this back and forth. If you have a torque adapter, use it. This way you can double check what your numbers are on the scale itself. Right now I have it set for 100, and I've got the dial just barely below 100, so we'll see what happens here. I'm going to push the pin in. The pin is in. Hold on 1 second. All right, let's try it out. $100.6. The pin is in. $100.4. The pin is in. $100.8. It's very accurate. It's a precision tool. The fit and finish is very nice. You could use this on lug nuts and stuff like that, but you got to be careful because there's external parts on it, the dials, the pins. You don't want this thing falling off the bench or your tool cart. So use the case. Overall, I'm very, very pleased with it. There are copies out there, so beware. But if you're looking for a precision tool to work on engines, I think this would work for you. Just remember, it's non-ratcheting. All right, that's about it. Thank you very much.